Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I optimize another campaign, and this is my good buddy. I'm going to be optimizing this in a different way from the last video that I had because this guy is a little bit more ahead of the curve. He has some pretty great ads out here. Shout out my buddy Mikhail. He's a great, amazing guy. So let's hop over here. So first thing I noticed is that we're doing pretty well with the messenger campaign 268, but looking at this, the retargeting and the T Hub over here, we're getting two schedules at $43.93 per schedule. So we're hit that one first. Let's check out actually the click-through rates really quick. How they're looking. Excuse me. Click-through rates 5%. That's actually pretty decent. Let's check out what's wrong with these. Hops over here, $34. Oh my gosh. 6%, that was pretty good. They're unlimited, probably because it hasn't really got a schedule yet. Let's see what this one is. This is not a video ad, this is a pick ad. Okay, so that one. Shows you here we got over here. Actually, let's check the click rates over here again. Click the rate, so yeah, 6%. Let's hit off the worst one first. Let's get off with this one kind of. Top one doesn't have enough money you spent, so let's check out this one. Over here, yes, the first thing I saw was this pick ad. I mean, first of all, right at the bat, I don't like it. But we're getting a 3% click-through rate. We can get that higher, so let's do that up real quick. First, I'm gonna do is change up the picture. Existing campaign, so go existing campaign to UF, blah, 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 duplicate that. And we're gonna change this one to be called, which will be out here. We're gonna do this one. We'll call that pick one. Pick one. We do copy one, headline one. One, copy one. Over here, let's take this one, change this out to, oh, actually, let's just leave it like that, with the one we have right now. So this one is, we're not gonna optimize that just yet. This is number 5, so copy 5. You crack the credit code, you crack the code to great credit. Oh, let's do this one. Description, let's do like, I don't recommend that guaranteed one because it doesn't always work well. Mostly because offering a guarantee on Facebook is a big no-no. Let's use this one. Nice. Here. So next. That, so we'll test that one out. What we're also going to do is publish that. Actually, no, before we publish that, let's publish that. That's good. I'm going to duplicate as well. What we're going to do is we're going to use one of his ads. There's a couple over here. He also gave me a couple, so we just check out where he gave it to me. And then I'll record or resume this. Just record it. So we got here content, Google ads, DIY course. So, DIY course. So, I'm not going to do a DIY course, we do for ads. See credit scores increase, but I like this one the best. This pops out the most to me. My method is very simple. I looked at the page really quick. I was like, which one pops out the most? And like this one pops out. So we can say that. I'm gonna try to download it actually. Quicker. Can't I find how do I enable that? All right, I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, I just had because I had an incognito website, an incognito browser, which is not allowed to go. So let's check out this one first.
Let me tell you something about Creditable and the team over there. They're incredible. They were able to increase my score over 225 points.
The first 7 seconds, they're like instantly, yo, I got this crazy offer or this crazy thing that happened. First 7 seconds, straight to the point. Love that.
Since January, it's now March, right? And my credit score is at a 748. I was able to go get approved for a loan all by myself so that I could buy my dream car, an Audi A4. So if you need negative items removed or hard inquiry.
Love that. All right, so we'll share this one quick.
Let me tell you guys about the team over at the Credit Bull. They're incredible, you guys. They were able to increase my credit score over 225 points since January. It's now
I don't like this one too much, but we just get to the end.
A4. My credit is
It's not. Oh, show proof of concept. Hold up. Wait. I don't like the beginning of it.
Let me tell you guys about the team over at the Credit Bull. A 753, okay? And they're amazing. So if you guys need any negative items removed or you need any hard inquiries removed, you need to go right now and schedule your free consultation with them. Let me tell you guys about the team. Let me tell you something about Credit Bull and the team over there. They're incredible. They were able to increase my score over 200.
Yeah, I can mention like some better. Take this one. Download that. The reason why I like that one better is because she just showed proof of concept. Like she showed the actual her phone with her credit score. I'm trying to just save this on my actual client's account. Where's that? Where'd you go? We need this. So, rename this. Rename. Come on, let me rename you. Technical difficulties, guys. So, testimony. Testimonial. This is your account. Put his account right there. Bam! Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. All right, so let's hop back over here. Go to the actual ads over here. So we have this one, the first one, this one, ad. So I have this, we're gonna make a video. Good. Testimony. Testimony event. And video. Upload. Oh, which one is it? Where's it already? I wasn't upload it, so I don't know which one it is. So now back over. Yeah. Testimony event. Bam. Bam. Excuse me. All right, I like that. I like that nice optimization. Let that upload. I lose my voice here. My allergies or something is just killing me right now. Let's cut this one out. We'll wait till we get some more pictures of him. I'm gonna send some more pictures. I'm gonna send some more ideas or pictures so we can record them. Not record them, take pictures. Speak today. Come on, Blade. All right, go over here. I haven't really gotten anything here yet. Wait for those to go up. Spend some money to check this one out. So I change this one out. Change this. It's wrong name. Okay. Add. Publish. Let's go back over to what we do is I think we quickly duplicate the one we just did. Like this. This. Duplicate on. Duplicate. Listing campaign. That's all. Excuse me. Got that. This one has them. So I have them all uploading. Just get rid of a few. Let's do his thing. Or I just like froze out this computer because it's doing so much right now. It doesn't like it when it does that. Mainly publish them all. This one, this one. Delete the duplicate copy things. Just publish that. Sometimes just things just bugs out. We do the testimonial videos later, so I feel like it's giving a little bit more of a headache. Go over here, copy together, copy here. We're gonna do is publish that as well. Going through all of them, just manually publishing them first. This one, copy, bam, 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 bam. This one's take out. It's the last one I got here. Need to copy, copy, Roger. At this point where I lose my mind. Guys, I'm filming this currently at 3 a.m. by the way, 3:30. So give me, I'm allowed to kind of like lose my mind. I'm still talking sense, so it's fine. Lose my mind. Totally. All right, let's check this out. Let's make sure that this one is just going to the landing page. The landing page looks like this. Yeah, it's got really cool. Let's hop over here. So yeah, this one's good. Delete that. Let's make sure create video, add video. So what I think is just that it just didn't upload just yet. Let's go to the one that we just did. This one over here. I think the one that we have to fix is to fix this one. So make sure. This is the one I gotta fix. This one. Okay. I think it's just gonna upload the video because yeah, see. Upload video, video. I probably just rushed it to be honest. I think I just upload this one. Please be the right one. Cross our fingers. Nope. Oh, original. All right, see how it works.
Let me tell
Publish it. Let's see if that one's the right one actually.
Let me tell you guys about the team over at the Credit Bowl. An Audi A4. Removed, or they're amazing. Okay, 753. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Excuse me, guys. My throat is bad. What's up? It's bad. All right, so over here, go over here. Do this the same thing to every other one. There you go. Keep it all original. Publish that. Bam, bam. Cut that out. Rock over here. Delete that copy. Bam. Kablamo. Add media, add video. Go this one. Bam, bam. Done. Publish that. Over here. Next one. We're moving now. I'm moving now. Let's go. This one over here. This one over here. Add media. Add video. Bam, bam. We're rock. Let's go. Down. My last one over here. Go over here. Video. Bam. So you publish the last one. See how that pulls. So see how that pulls. Next one, guys, we're targeting over here. Targeting ads with 2 website schedules of $14. This one got this one 19. See this one? This is add one. $19. Where's this one going to? That's it. Post and add engagements. Why can't you just write that? The guys, you're doing this. Make sure you just do. Make sure you comment what you got here. You know, not comment. Just mark what you have. Just make it easier, so it's quick to optimize. One more test schedule is doing pretty good. So this one here. See this? Add another video. So let's do this. Let's duplicate it. So we do some campaigns. So you just don't have the same one here. Use another video. Excuse me. All right, so do fin. So we do like edit video. Edit video. Oops, I want to do that. Let's change the video. So let's delete that. We will add media. add video. Add video. Want to use this one of the results? And I want to use a different copy from this one. I want to use this one, so I have a little more informational. So I'll do this one. This is business 5, 2, copy -5 column. Let's just copy that. I'm not graphic credit. Really got that. So I have to do something. So you get that over here. 4 that. So 2 now. That little description. Oops. Sweet. Was that how? Description to detail. Copy. I get the headline there. Headline is because headline 4. This one. I want to do one more. I saw you. You had a video of some campaign, like something 20% off or something like that. I saw it. Quickly, add media, add video.
Collections, charge-offs, inquiries, student loans, bankruptcies, repossessions, all of these nasty, nasty things that could be on your credit report, right? And you don't know how to remove them. Well, guess what? My company specializes in removing negative items off of your credit report, right? So if you're watching this,
I'm using this one. 50% off. Call it red. 50% off. 0%. Say the rest of it. Cool. Just trying to change out the thing to something smaller. Actually, no, leave that. But look at that. So you're fine. I want to give more information. Let's see this. Copy. Click that. Over here. So we got here. This one. Show the website visitors. Pretty much same thing. Website visitors is better, obviously. So what we're gonna do is go over here. Over here. We're gonna take this one, duplicate over to existing campaign, and go to go to as all the visitors with that one, duplicate that, A B. Sweet. Publish. We'll change up the name at the top. No, I don't know if we can call it add one. Whatever, we just actually I would change it for stuff. Yeah, so this is supposed to be vid. To kind of change this out quick. This is vid one. Oops. What we need is I see that runs, so don't keep on going. Let those keep on going. See those puppies do. Now those rock and roll. I hop over the messenger campaigns. Go over here. Figure one. So what I love about this one is actually this was working really well. $2 message conversation. Here was that beautiful picture. Oh yes, I love this ad. So what I'm gonna do, I can already tell this is like so good right now. Just click there it is. Pump up this budget though. It's crazy good. 4%. That's okay. It'd be better, but like still, I would probably just want to use a different type of targeting, experiment with some more targetings. So this is loan and credit history. So New campaign. Yeah, what I'm just gonna do is see something that's working. Might as well. Oh gosh, always raise swing by 20%. So 20% of well by at least by a half. So I mean at least double it is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make this one. I'm gonna make it like 50. Give it a little extra read room. See how that does for tomorrow. If they just hire an appointment setter. If that's starting out well tomorrow in the morning, I'm gonna budget. Well, not. I'll give it one day to run, see how it does, see if that cost reserve fluctuates. If it fluctuates, I'm gonna add some more add targeting, maybe a couple of other interests for targeting, and maybe even a website viewers messenger campaign as well for retargeting. TOF, I don't like that name. It should just be scheduled. So actually close on that page. Retargeting. Just like seeing everything really quick and really simple. Yeah, so like I said, raises to 50 tomorrow, depending on how tomorrow kind of goes. What I'm going to do is, yeah, depending on how tomorrow goes, if this fluctuates, to say it gets higher, I'm gonna add another ad set and a couple of other picture ads as well. I gotta get some more from him. What I also want to do is I want to make sure that, yeah, make sure I monitor this. If it goes below this, I just want to keep on. I'll pump it even more out there. I'll probably double it again, probably bring it to 100. I see that it goes lower than that. If it stays where it's at, I'll give it a day, and the next day I'll bring it over to like 75. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, you guys, you know how to call your boy Blade. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great night. It's currently 3:43. I'm gonna have a fantastic sleep. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Oh, anything you need, guys, schedule an appointment with me. Peace out.